Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to insert a clickable website link into any email using Gmail. Whether you are sharing a resource, referring someone to a specific web page, or adding extra info, this is a must-know skill. So let's begin. First things first, log into your Gmail account on your computer. Once you're in, go to the upper left corner and click the compose button. This will open a fresh message window where you can begin typing your email. Next, in the body of your email, type the phrase or call to action you want to turn into a link. For example, something like visit our website or click here for details. Keep it clear and to the point so that the reader knows it's a link. Now, go ahead and highlight the text you just typed. Simply click and drag your mouse over the words to select them. This step is important. It tells Gmail which part of the message should become the hyperlink. Once the text is selected, look towards the bottom of the message window for the formatting toolbar. Click on the link icon, which usually looks like a small chain or globe. At this point, a small pop-up will appear asking for the website. Paste your URL field. Make sure it begins with the HTTP or make sure it's simply valid. Once the URL is in place, click the apply button. You will notice your selected text now appear underlined and possibly in a different color. This confirms it's now clickable. Before sending your message, it's a great idea to send a test email to yourself first. Click the link in your test to make sure it works properly. And that's it, guys. You have successfully added a website link to your Gmail message, fast and easy and professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.